What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. I wanted to make an impromptu video kind of about what's going on with Bambu Lab and one of their recent bundles that they've posted, which I thought was kind of an interesting collaboration. So I'm going to just go here to the 3D printers tab. Also, it's good to see that they got the Bambu Lab X1E on here. Honestly, if you haven't looked at this machine, it's pretty interesting, especially if you're someone that's using 3D printing in a commercial environment. This may be the move for you. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. We're going to click this Shop All 3D Printers and take a look. So we've got the Bambu Lab A1, P1S, P1P, X1C, the X1, all that. But what's interesting is they've added 3 new options here, and these are just bundles, but I just find this to be an interesting collaboration. You've got basically EcoFlow and Bambu Lab have come together to offer bundles if you are looking to purchase almost like a backup power supply for your 3D printer or something that can just power the printer without having power. I personally use EcoFlow, so definitely can say that they're an awesome brand, but just a pretty interesting collaboration. So let's take a look here. So the Pro Designer Bundle, right now this is listed at $3,798. This is something to think about with these are you're getting a good deal on both the EcoFlow and the printer. So if you're looking to buy both, you know, this may be a great option. Specifically, this bundle has the X1C combo with the EcoFlow Delta Pro. I've got the Delta Max myself. I love it, but it's cool that it actually breaks down and says like, okay, the X1C Carbon will be powered for 29 hours off this thing. So if you have an extra long print, this may be a good option. One thing that may be worth mentioning though is this is not necessarily meant to be the primary source of power. They're kind of marketing this as a way to have backup power, but it's kind of interesting that they're even doing this collaboration in general, considering they have power loss recovery built into the Bambu machines. But if you've had bad luck with power loss recovery and you just don't even want to worry about losing power at all, this is a good option. So this one is the X1C with the Delta Pro, but I think where a lot of people would be happy would be this industrial designer kit. This comes with the Delta 2 Max at $2,848. Something to think about is this alone retails for $1,900. I think it's on sale for like $1,600 right now, but this will power an X1C for 16 hours. So if you're looking for something just for a backup power supply, this is probably going to be the move. I'd say for off-grid printing, probably the Pro Designer one would be the way to go. I could see you doing some like printing at trade shows or, you know, whatever. This would be a cool option for sure. And the last one that I wanted to bring up was the Maker's Kit here. So it is nice to see that they're doing some sort of bundle with the P1S. I think the P1S is a great machine. Honestly, it's probably the machine that most people should look for Bambu Lab printers. And this will keep it running for 8 hours off the Delta 2 Portable. I would like to see somewhat of a mix and match. So like, let's say I wanted the P1S with the Delta Pro Max. That would be cool. It's interesting the way they've got it set up on the website is like bundles as a separate SKU instead of just like add-on. Maybe that's something they can change down the line, but these are the 3 they've got available. It doesn't look like there's a way that you can mix and match currently, but hopefully if they have enough interest in this, it's something that, you know, they'll offer. Like I said, I don't think that this is for everyone. And honestly, I'd say this is geared towards very specific users. But the cool thing is you can use these EcoFlow batteries for other applications. I don't use one for my printers at all. I actually use mine for camping and recharging during power outages. Matter of fact, we had to cut the power in my house the other day. We actually used it to maintain our router while we had power outages. So while there's no power in the house, we still had Wi-Fi and a internet connection, which was super nice. Just wanted to share this. If you want to read more, you can go to bambulab.com. Thanks so much for checking out today's videos, guys. We'll see you next time.